Here I've got ZOPO Speed 7 and let me show you how to enable power saving mode on the following device. At the very beginning you have to open the list of all applications, then find and pick the settings, scroll down and click on battery, and now you can either activate intelligent power saving standby simply by tapping on this switcher, and then if you would like to have some advanced option, click on more icon, which is 3 dots one in upper corner, and go to battery saver. Here you can simply switch it on by tapping over here, and as you can see here with the red edges, the battery saving mode is on, so your battery life will be improved. If you would like to turn it on automatically, so if you would like to set some rule for this mode, click on turn on automatically and then select if it should be at 5 or 15% of your battery. So let me pick at 15% of your battery, and from now on, every time the battery is lower than 15%, power saving mode will be automatically activated. Obviously, if you would like to switch it off, just tap on this icon. And that's it. This is how you can save the battery in your ZOPO. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.